Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix No Man's Sky black screen issue on Xbox console. So here follow these steps. On your Xbox, go to settings, then go to TV and display options, then go to video modes. Then here you have to untick auto HDR. So if auto HDR is ticked mark, then untick it, and allow HDR10 is also tick mark, then you have to untick allow HDR10 also. Your screen may go black for few seconds when you untick allow HDR10. So you have to untick both the option. Now if your television TV has a HDR feature enabled, then you have to turn it off as well. Then you can launch the game and check black screen problem is fixed or not in the No Man's Sky game. Please note, after this the game graphics may look bad, but the black screen issue will be fixed. So by this way you can fix the black screen issue in No Man's Sky game on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.